also leads me to, I guess, believe about your business, given that you have such a robust onboarding system for your team members, that your clients are also getting a very consistent onboarding process. So when you're taking on a new client, what kind of onboarding process do you have? Because I was reading something the other day that was all about, when you're bringing clients on, the onboarding part is where you're doing the hardest work, because that's what's making them happy and feeling important. And so, as you go through a client journey with a client, you're not trying to save them at the end because they've been unhappy. If you do the onboarding at the beginning, yeah, then you're ahead.
And there's a lot of things about that, right? Yeah. Most people are looking to make a change because something is not working for them.
Yeah.
So if we bring them on in a way that helps them feel like, oh my God, this is wonderful. That problem that I was trying to solve is already starting to go away.
Yeah.
Then that's going to open up that relationship and make it easier. So yes, client onboarding processes are really important. For my team and I, that involves meeting the team that's going to be their team.
Yeah.
Now we always have 2 people minimum working on any client, because if I'm the primary and somebody else is secondary, what happens if I'm on holidays? You can't say to an employee, don't have a bad day, Theresa's on leave. They need to be able to access somebody that they know, like, and trust.
Yeah.
They need to be able to access the support when it's right for them, not when it's right for you. So for me, it's very much about making sure they know who the team is.
Yeah.
When we're working with clients, we often do and particularly when we're doing outsourced HR, we actually do a presentation to the whole team. Yeah. This is who Impact HR is. This is why we've been selected to be your HR people. This is how we can help you as an employee, you as a manager, and this is what we're doing for the business as a whole. Yeah. Because those 3 things are all slightly different, but they're all interconnected. And you have to weave them in together in a way that makes sense.
Yeah.
We also need people to understand that we are that bridge between business results and individual results, because you said at the beginning, we don't want our people to be bitter. And that's very much it. We want our team to love coming to work. But it's not as easy as, here's some money, come to work and love your job. We actually need to create that environment. And then once we've created it, nurture it and continue to grow that environment. So what made me happy yesterday, it will change over time. And we need to grow and adapt and do things. So the people that we're working with, both the owners, the managers, and the employees, or if you're a solopreneur hiring your very first person, what's right for you might be different to what's right for somebody else. You might need more hand-holding and more comfort and confidence. This is going to work for you.
Yeah,
So
amazing.